Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for SiteGround easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.siteground.com and press enter. Once the SiteGround homepage loads, look for the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to view the hosting. Review the options presented: Startup, Grow Big, and Go Geek. Select the plan that best suits your needs by clicking on the Select button next to it. You will be directed to a new page where you need to choose your domain. If you already have a domain, enter it in the existing domain field. If you need a new domain, type your desired domain name in the new domain field. Choose your preferred domain extension from the drop-down menu. Once you've entered your domain information, click on the Proceed button. Now, fill in the account information fields with your details. Enter your email address, password, and any other required information. Next, scroll down to the Payment Information section. Fill in your payment details, including credit card information, or select another payment method if available. Review the order summary to confirm your selected hosting plan and any additional service. If you wish to add any extras, select them now. Once you are satisfied with your selections, read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Finally, click on the Pay Now button to complete your registration. After your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to access your SiteGround account. Congratulations, you are now registered with SiteGround. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.